Alright, this is our campsite. There's Mike's tent, Rick's tent, way in the background, which you can hardly see, is Michael's tent and Andy's tent. This is my tent, which I call Home Sweet Home. This is our kitchen. That's Richard's over there. He doesn't have a tent, just a tarp. And I have a lot of essentials that are needed while you're camping. Our stove. This is our canopy, which is not up at the moment, but if we get any heavy rains, we'll punch that up and get under it, but hopefully we won't need to. The creek is right in back of us. You can barely see it from here. It's down there. Rapids. So that's kind of the area we have here. It's a very nice area, flat, not too rocky, so we're enjoying it. And that's all.